Hey you guys, how is everybody? I hope you are having a really fun Tuesday night. It feels like Christmas here at the Godwin's house because UPS just brought me all the stuff and I'm so excited and I cannot wait to show you. I thought it'd be really fun for me to just go live and show you all the fun stuff that I got today. Oh, you want Gus is getting a bath. Daddy's going to give Gus a bath. It looks like he's flying. Wow, he's being so brave.
I wonder what's in there.
Yeah, normally whenever we pick Gus up, he's like he has a fear of heights so bad. So honestly, these boxes have not even made it inside my house. I'm just surrounded by packing paper and boxes because that's usually what happens whenever Scentsy comes in. It's like, oh my goodness, it's crazy. But I'm so excited about all the winter holiday stuff. I have a WhiffBOX to open for you guys, like the ones that Scentsy is making now. I'm gonna open that for you. Okay, so many things. So Scentsy has now come out with, hey you guys, hey Michelle, hey Amanda, washer whiffs and laundry detergent in Silver Bells. And it smells like Silver Bells. No, it smells like winter bliss. Like I cannot wait to do laundry. And it comes in detergent and washer whiffs. I'm so excited about that. So let me just open this washer whiff because I think this is fun. Hey Christy. So how many of you guys have already gotten your winter stuff? So from the winter holiday catalog collection brochure. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you ready? This is the Scentsy WhiffBOX. These are the ones that Scentsy does, not the ones that I do. Oh my gosh, hi from Guam. Michelle. Hey Crystal. Okay. Ta-da! So exciting! Okay, so this is the first time I've opened one of these, you guys. Okay, so this little thing opens up. It's like a piece of paper and it tells you all about your WhiffBOX. These can be ordered on my website. So much fun. Smells like heaven. Okay, so inside, I need my little handsome to come and hold this up. Luna Bath Bomb. That's awesome sauce. Oh, the cutest samples ever. Like little cups with pull tabs. This is Be Merry. I'll open it in a minute and tell you what it smells like. Grandma's Orchard. Cute little samples. Butter pecan. This is such a good fall smell and I super love it. And pineapple coconut vanilla hand cream sample. Lucky and Love hand cream sample. Disney Scent Circle in Enchanted Rose. Ooh, Mulan. This is my favorite of the Disney princess ones. But my really favorite Disney one is the Just Keep Swimming one. Can't remember the name of it now. Need a Smell-O-Vision. You're so cute. Blueberry pancakes. The cutest little samples ever, you guys. Amazon Rain hand cream. Every sink in my house has a Scentsy hand cream on it because, like, that's just where it belongs. More Scentsy body wash samples and a whole bunch of, this box alone is so stinking cute. Okay, so those are the corporate WhiffBOXes. What did I tell you I was going to open? Oh, yeah. No. All rats. Be Merry. Okay. They're cute. Here's a close-up. Oh, my knees. Oh my goodness, okay. It smells like poinsettias. Hold on. That's a lie. It's not just poinsettias. It smells like pines and poinsettia. Oh, we used to have one called poinsettia pine. Oh, you remember when? Poinsettia pine was, I really like it. It smells like Christmas. Oh, I can't remember. It's like poinsettia pine and something else maybe. It's sweeter. I love it a lot. It's called Be Merry. I like the name too. I'm all about some fun names. Okay, so I really wanted to open this. I have not opened this. I've never even seen one of these like in person at all. And I've been selling them like crazy just off of pictures from the brochure. Okay, Christy, smells like Christmas tree with a hint of fruit. Yeah. Christmas version of Paradise Punch. You're so smart, Andrea. That's perfect. Okay, so here's the gnome hat. So you guys help me. I like playing, what do you call that? Plays on words. And so I was trying to think, and I was like, all of the plays on words for gnome, they were dumb. I couldn't think of anything fun and cutesy. What's some play on words for gnome? I don't know. Look how cute this is. So you put your wax in there. It's an element warmer. You guys all know what that means, right? It means it uses a heating strip instead of a bulb. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I can't even think of words to say. Oh my, it's perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. I want one for every room. Okay. Oh, I should have picked a different place to do this video because my feet hurt. I mean, not my feet, my knees. Hey, look, this is Silver Bell's hand soap. I love hand soap. I'm a hand soap junkie. Okay, so I'm really excited about this warmer. And you know what? You know why I do this? It's not because I like to be in front of the camera, because I don't. But you know why I do this is because I remember whenever I first sold Scentsy and when I was a customer. When I was a customer, I couldn't afford all the things in the book, and I just wanted to see them in person because I couldn't afford to have them. And so I know this is not super in person, but it's better than looking at a piece of paper. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And you know what? It's so light and bright. When the light gets under there, this thing is going to be super glowy. And I don't know if you can see, but it has like beautiful snowflakes on it that are like iridescent. Dang. That's stunning. Okay, okay. So one cool thing about these that I really like, I don't know if anybody's ever told you this before, and I don't know if it would work on this one, but one thing I like about plug-ins, and I'm not sure they would work on this one, but one thing I like is that, like, say for instance, it has something on it, the front, that you're not 100% super in love with, so just turn it on the back. And I don't know if it would work with this one because it's pretty light, so you might be able to see through it or whatever, since this is such a bold, whatever, decoration or whatever. But like on some of the ones that are porcelain, if I don't like the wording on it, or if I'm just not into the wording or whatever, I just turn it around because I like plain stuff. I don't like a lot of like, I'm just simple. And my decor is really simple too, so yeah, there's a tip. Okay, this I've been waiting my whole life for. Vanilla Mint is, it's probably honestly one of my favorite winter scents. My most favorite winter scent of all time is Eskimo Kiss. I love it. It makes my whole life happy. But this is so good. Vanilla Mint is amazing. It's wintergreen frost, vanilla, and frozen citrus. And there you have it. So these bath bombs are already gift giving ready. So you could give this, put the to and from name there, and you're done. Like, it's the best like teacher gift or hostess gift, like when you go to the hostess parties or whatever. And I'm sorry, when you go to the parties and you want to take the hostess a little something. Okay, this is important. Where's my essential oil lovers? This stuff is legit. It's 100% pure, no fillers, super legit. And it is cinnamon bark, Christmas pine, and peppermint stick. It's amazing. I already know what these smell like, so I'm not going to open them because I'm just not going to. Okay, Another bath bomb. Serious, like I just went on this crazy. Very Merry Cranberry. Oh, that's fun. Cranberry is so yummy. And I love our cranberry almost better than anybody's cranberry in the whole wide world. This is Very Merry Cranberry hand soap. Let's see what other special treats I have in here. Oh yeah, so the hand soap comes in a 3-pack. It's Vanilla Mint, Very Merry Cranberry, and Silver Bells, and it comes as a set. Ta-da! 3. And it's amazing. Okay, so let's see what other goodies I have in here. Okay, if you haven't tried this winter berry apple tea, you need it in your life, like right now. Don't wait. Uh-oh. So I got a little happy when I opened these boxes, and I just kind of slammed everything in, and I broke some of the bars, but it doesn't damage the wax. I just kind of cracked it. This is so good, and if you're one of my customers, you've already gotten a sample with your order of this winter berry apple tea. Okay, so I'm almost finished. Ariel, Under the Sea. This smells so good, and look how cutesy these are. Like, and they're even cute on the back. So like, they're not boring, they're super fun. Disney and Scentsy. Okay, I wanted to show you this. I'm so excited about this, I feel like a kid. So my gym bag stinks, just not gonna lie. Everybody says that these are for kids, for like their backpacks or their diaper bags or whatever. No, this is for Laura's gym bag because she's a stinky girl. And my hand wraps stink, and it just stinks. But look at his little, it's a Yeti. Hold on, I have him all crazy looking. You can put his hat on. We just watched the movie. Luke and I went to watch the movie. Hey Luke, what was the name of the movie we watched? Littlefoot. Littlefoot, yes. Little Bigfoot. Not Little Bigfoot, just Littlefoot. I remembered. Look at his booty. Look at his booty. Anyway, look at his feet. They're so cute. This thing is soft. It's just crazy soft in his little hair. He smells like Candy Crave, which is one of my favorite scents. And I love him so much. So he comes in this little adorable container. He smells like a dream. Anyway, I love that movie, Littlefoot. It was fun. We actually went to watch it on Luke's birthday, and there was a hurricane that day. And they let us finish watching the movie, but as soon as we walked out of the movie, they had signs up everywhere that pretty much said the city was shutting everything down, and we had to go home. Pretty lame, right? On his birthday. Okay, so here is a warmer that I wanted to show you, and then I think this is it. I mean, I have all kinds of fun stuff in here, but I think this was the gist of it. Oh, hold on. Yeah, more gnomes. Okay, you guys aren't helping me out any for the gnome, like things like, oh, there's gnome place like home. That's dumb. What else? What are some fun things to say with gnome? You guys are better at this kind of stuff than I am. I'm the worst at plays on words. I usually get things really turned around. Okay, ready to see this way adorable holiday Scentsy warmer? I'm really excited about this one. Look. Okay, ready for his head? You put the wax in there, and then ta-da! Oh, he's camera shy. Look at it. No, I'm just kidding. Gnome for the holidays, Katie. You're my new best friend. That's perfect. I love that. Oh, you guys, look at this cutie. I'm pretty sure that my cat Mordecai is not gonna be happy with this warmer. Ooh, he is super charming. And I like how no matter how he's sitting, you can make his head look like he's looking at you. This is cute. This is super cute. Okay, so same thing. Element warmer, which means basically you don't ever have to worry about trying to find light bulbs for it. And yeah, the light doesn't keep you awake at night if you have it in your bedroom. And same lifetime warranty. So it's just a win-win. Okay, I think that's it. I might be forgetting something because it's a serious mess down here. Yeah, I showed you the WhiffBOX. That's the Scentsy WhiffBOX. I do them, I build WhiffBOXes too. Mine are way different, but that was my first time like actually opening a Scentsy one. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so here is the holiday brochure. And if you're one of my customers and you order on my website, you're going to get a holiday brochure and lots of samples of some of the stuff you saw tonight. Ooh, do you know that you can get a fur-lined jacket for your buddy for just $10? Look at how cute it is too. See that? That is way handsome. $10. Anyway, ooh, hold on, one more thing. Look at that buddy clip. The elf one, I love him. Elliot the elf buddy clip. Anyway, I could go on and on. There's so many fun things. Oh, you guys. So anyway, if you don't have a Scentsy girl, let me be your Scentsy girl. And if you have any questions about this stuff, then let me know. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything. I know that this would have been a real big treat for me when I was a Scentsy customer. So anyway, have a great Tuesday night. Bye.